Hey guys, and welcome to this video tutorial on parkour. Let's begin with some stretching. Okay, let's begin with some running. So let's run about 3 to 5 minutes, but it doesn't need to be neither sprinting nor walking.
What's going on?
Okay, so now that I've run for 5 minutes, we'll do some leg stretching, about 3 of them. Okay, for the leg stretching, we'll do 3 different stretchings with 10 seconds on each leg. As we did for the legs, we'll do 3 stretchings for the arms, and we'll do 10 seconds in So now that we're finished with the stretching, let's get into the tutorial. So we begin with the monkey. Okay, so the monkey is not an easy route to complete because you need to be very good with your legs and you need to have confidence as well. So there are some steps to learn this. So to start with, make sure you've got a good and clear run because you can't perform a monkey by standing still. When you're quite away from the obstacle, start running and try to push yourself with hands, but don't go over the obstacle yet. Keep doing this for a few times. Once you're feeling comfortable with the pushing, do the same thing but by ending a quick step right before the obstacle. Next, try to combine these 2 things that we learned in the 2 steps, but then in addition try to land on top of the obstacle with your feet, but still don't go over it. So now it's time to do it. Gather up all the things that we learned in the previous passages, get ready and go for it. But remember, give yourself a decent push with the hands, but not too much because you lose control, but not too little because you're afraid of all. So these were the steps to learn the monkey. You can use the monkey quite everywhere for different heights, obstacles, and actual height of the obstacle. Okay, so now that we learned the monkey, let's do the dash. So the dash is really complex as well, but it's actually easier than the monkey to learn. These are the steps. Okay, first step, as the monkey, have a good and clear run. So when you're ready, run and jump over the obstacle in order to land on the other side. This is to give a better idea of the jump and the force you need to use. So now jump, do the same thing I did before, but jump on top of the obstacle and not on the other side. So it's already time to put everything together and do the dash. Start running, and when you reach the obstacle, jump with your legs forward, and when you're about to reach the other side, give a small push with the hands on the obstacle in order to not hit the back. So well done, you learned the dash. Use the dash only for not too low and not too high obstacles. So in addition, the obstacle doesn't have to be too wide as well. So that's it guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Hope also that you're going to learn from this. And now I leave you with a whole video of me doing some parkour around. There's not going to be only monkey and dash, but other bolts as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.